Hello and welcome to EduTV Nigeria online tips. Today I'll be giving you 5 other foods you can eat instead of beans. If you don't like beans or beans affect you while you eat it, there are other foods you can eat that will give you the same nutritional values as beans, especially protein. Number 1, we have soya beans. Soya beans is very rich in protein and very rich in calcium. Likewise, beans. So you can take soya beans instead of beans. Then you can make soya beans into soy milk or soy flour. Number 2, we have groundnuts. Groundnuts is very rich in protein as well and very rich in healthy fats. Groundnuts can be eaten, roasted or boiled, as we all know in Nigeria. Number 3, we have bambara nuts, also known as okpa in Igbo language, and it is very rich in fiber, very rich in protein and very rich in iron. Then number 4, we have fish. We all know fish is under protein in the 6 classes of food, likewise beans. So fish is very rich in protein. You can take fish instead of beans. Then number 5, we have egg. Egg is also rich in protein and it can be eaten boiled, scrambled or any way we like it. These are other 5 foods you can take instead of beans. If you don't like beans or beans affects you, take them. Other foods you can eat that can give you the same nutrients, the same nutritional value as beans. Thank you and join us next time for more tips. Bye!